The CIM. Upon entering the internet application addresses info.mobtel.co.uk, a user has to enter his username and password, and after clicking the login, access the application. The CIM is designed for creating and distribution of different reports. It enables assembling and review of reports at the level of an operation system, company, organizational unit, and the ad hoc work groups. Its functionality is particularly expressed in all stages of monitoring the quality systems documentation throughout its duration cycle. The Receive Reports option enables a user to access all the data and information necessary for his work performance. By selecting the organizational unit followed by the title of the report containing data he needs, the user can access any of the reports placed on the system and familiarize himself with its context. The main menu option enables quitting the currently active option. The next significant option within the CIM is sending reports. It makes it possible for the user to send all the reports he is responsible for. By selecting a link containing the title of the report he wishes to send, followed by selecting the Add Report option, he will open a screen for entering data. The report's title or subject is to be entered under the comment, with the report text to be typed in the report box. Text reports of a higher volume and those for which you need to use special programs may be downloaded from the user's computer by using the Browse option. By clicking on Add and then on Send, you will have all you need for sending reports. This application is also providing you with an option to send or delay sending at that particular moment. By clicking on Yes, sending of a report will be finally executed. All the reports placed onto the application server have a sent status and are available to the users that they have been administratively designated to review them. InfoSystem uses the option to manage your business system from wherever you are in the world. The WAM. The WAM is designed for assigning and following up on the realization of various work assignments within the work groups delegated. Criteria for forming work groups may be various, like, for example, per organizational units, per ad hoc project teams, with the members coming from different organizational units, even different companies, etc. By clicking on the Work Assignment module in the appropriate menu, you will get the list of all options available to you. Then, under the Issuing and Accomplishing Assignments option, select Issuing Assignments in the work group of the employee who is being given the subject tasks, and click on the submenu arrow to select the person you wish to assign for the performance. The assignment subject is then entered into the subject box, the task description in the assignment description, and the final deadline data in the completion deadline. Upon defining the task, activate the Send option for delivering it to the responsible employee, who will get the information about it in his email inbox. By clicking on the Internet application address, the user will log on the application, enter the Work Assignment modules option, Issuing and Accomplishing Assignments, and after clicking on the Assignments Received, see the list of assignments he has to perform, the number and subject of the order of the attached to the assignment text description. The action taken is to be entered in the box Text Report, which includes an option of adding attachments if it is required by the task's scope and volume. After everything is set for sending a report, all the sent reports at EA, all the tasks completed, may be found under the option Sent Reports. Same as the recipient of the order, the person issuing the assignment is getting an email information on the performance status. Reports on the task performed are also under the Issuing and Accomplishing Assignment option of the Work Assignment module. The Assignment List option enables the user's insight into all of the assignments delegated and all the actions taken thereupon. By opening this option and selecting assignment orders that have been reported as completed, the issuer will be able to read the corresponding assignment report. The Records option within the Work Assignments module is designed for creating the recorded minutes from the work group meetings. Selecting the Create Record option, within the corresponding work group in order to create the recorded minutes, and clicking on Add Record is opening the screen with the appropriate form one has to fill in. To send the recorded minutes, all you have to do is click the option Add once all the data have been entered. Recorded minutes with a send status are acceptable by all members of the given work group. To do that, members of a group have to open Options and select the recorded minutes list, corresponding to their work group. The serial number column is also the link to the list of the recorded minutes that have already been created and placed. All the data contained in the recorded minutes and entered by the employee responsible are displayed in this form. The person who called the meeting is at the same time the person responsible for assigning tasks to the members of a work group. Conclusions brought after review and discussion of the meeting agenda points may serve as basis of the task to be assigned. InfoSystem use the option to manage your business system from wherever you are in the world. DAM. The acquisition module service for covering the entire process of periodical acquisition of office materials, small supplies and equipment. The entire process has been decomposed into issuing acquisition orders per organizational units, a two-level supervision of those orders, creating a supply list and issuing supplies, for example, resources. By clicking on the acquisition model, a user is opening a list of options he can access. The acquisition request is accessible by users that are the corresponding level of an organizational unit and who are authorized to define requests for the resources required. In using these options, one selects the work unit, the employee requiring resources, as well as the category of resources that is containing the items needed. By clicking Enter on any item among the available resources listed, one chooses the supplies he needs by filling in the quantity box. The Record option serves for saving the entered data, upon which the request is formed and ready to be sent by selecting the Send option. After it is executed, the sender can get into the list of the resources requested. Once transmitted, the acquisition request undergoes supervision of the first level, which is being done through the organizational unit level supervision option. The first level supervision allows correction of the received requests, which could be done by clicking Change, and then, under the quantity approved, confirm or reduce the quantity. Transmitting the corrected requests for supervision of the second level is done through the Approve option. Upon transmittal, a supervisor at the organizational level unit has the possibility to review the request as approved. The request that is cleared at the first level goes to the second level by way of the company level supervision option. Control and possible corrections at the second level is done by clicking the Revise option. Supervisor at the company level is granted an option and authority to additionally change or completely accept the request in question. The acquisition order that has cleared both supervisions is then sent for execution by activating the Approve option. InfoSystem use the option to manage your business system from wherever you are in the world.